That's a very odd place for the ECUs. I did not expect that. Interesting. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. I'm here with Max at Gintani, and well, today, or tonight I should say, we're gonna fix Damon's Ferrari, or at least find out what he broke. Mac's been here since like 5 a.m. Is that true? 11 a.m. Working on it, and he has a couple theories. We found some issues. So, number one, Damon broke something when he hit a bump.
Yes, correct. There's a wire here that was really like barely on there, and it was just torn apart.
So this is the top of the strut and the suspension. The wires for what? It's a sensor for?
The suspension mag ride, I guess, whatever.
So there's an open loop in the cam system. Can is like the computer system. So it's all computerized and smarter than us. When there's an open loop, it really confuses the car. Yeah. So potentially, and this is not fact, you guys, we're just learning together, we're got computers. This issue could have caused a transmission issue, because right now, the transmission is not talking to the ECU. We have an open loop right now on the ground of the car.
There's more than just the transmission. So an open loop would cause a lot of other to not communicate as well.
Oh god damn, it's like a bad marriage. Okay, guys, let's fix Damon's car. That'd be my dream. Damon's Christmas present is his red sleigh, ready to slay tires all day long. All right, give me a hammer, start smashing these things. By the way, that is an odd place. Like the ECUs are right here. Like, I never would have thought that.
Yeah, so pretty much that's the cover right there.
Take that cover off, and the computers are right here. Yep. My god, how much would that cost to replace from Ferrari?
10 G.
$10,000 ECU, you guys. Pretty much every part of this car is very expensive. Lamborghini, I mean, this car new. US is probably high 3. If you're not aware of what happened, let me reconstruct the incident for you guys. A few days ago, Damon Ferrari was driving along, and it was brand new to him, F12, and he hit a bump. I will show you this Model SV. I'm Damon Ferrari. I'm verified on Instagram. There's a big bump in the road. I better speed up for it. Then he hit the bump, and the car did bump stop. When that bump happened, here on the top of the strut, the little wire I showed you broke off, and immediately the car wouldn't move. You rev it and rev it and rev it, and it moved a little bit. Now, I was there, I saved the day, put my hazards on, made sure Damon was safe, coached him through it, it's very emotional. Got the car here to Gintani. Tonight's the night, we're taking the car apart to find out what Damon broke on the F12. Just soldering on that little diode.
It's a 1K ohm resistor.
It's a 1K ohm resistor. Obviously, it would be very strange when you think about a front strut resistor, if you will, or wire, or whatever you call it, the mag ride, causing the car not to drive. Right? That has been repaired. The wire's been reattached. We don't know if it's gonna solve the problem or not. Well, we might as well do a cold start since we're here. Let's hear it. All right, you guys, we've come down to a solution. Unfortunately, it won't happen tonight because we have to order a part. We have to order a front strut for the Ferrari because it's damaged. And as a result, after talking with Alex on the phone and Max and all the stuff they've done, that is the culprit. We won't know 100% until you do it and then drive the car. But the reality is that when you hit a bump, it doesn't blow up your transmission. This part won't be here in time, so I have to just say goodbye for now to the F12. You have a lot of cool stuff in here. I mean, you guys do a lot of BMW stuff, which is crazy. All I see are twin turbo BMW V8s. It's like twin turbo V8, V8, V8. Is that your favorite car? You got one, don't you?
Me? No, I have a 335i.
Oh, I thought yours was an M3.
No, it's a single turbo.
You got a big turbo in there?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go see it.
Holy. Yeah, that's a big turbo.
The turbo's so big, it shaved itself down.
Oh yeah, from right there. That is hilarious. You see that on the camera? Damn, that's a big turbo.
Yeah.
I love gold.
I love gold.
You like the FF?
Yeah, it's sick.
You got an FF now. Boom. We've had this car for like 24 hours. I had one check engine light already. The catalyst converter overheat. The same thing that car did. Apparently Ferrari, and I'm new to Ferrari, eat up O2 sensors like nothing. Yeah. Do check out the interior. Boom.
Dave's bougie now.
I'm bougie.
You're bougie.
You wanna go on a road trip? You got room for luggage.
It opens itself too.
Got Damon's clothes everywhere, of course. Look at the room for luggage.
You could take a nap in there.
Yeah, dude, I might have a dirt nap.
Huh? What?
And then look at that. Tonight we're gonna go get a crew together, go tear around, have some fun in the FF. The best part is I can have 3 friends with me. The downside is I only have 1 friend, and he's in Canada. Dude, this thing is sick. The color? What's this color code called? It doesn't matter. It's
I have
great.
no idea.
It's great. It's an Aventador. It has 12 cylinders. 6.5 liters of Italian muscle. I was gonna say American muscle, but that's not the case. Can we start this thing up? Oh, I wanna hear it. Look at the interior. Got the yellow stitch. pretty low key, nothing too loud this car.
And the doors go up.
Oh shit, the doors do go up.
And they clear lifts.
Are you guys ready?
Cold start.
Cold start on the Aventador. You can taste it. They run so rich, you can taste the fume.
What?
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 What? You're gonna need these.
Really good idea. All right, let's see some flames. Thank you so much for that. Appreciate it. We'll just, okay. Yeah, do it again. Damn, you got me now. All right, dude. Till next time. Thanks again for all your efforts. You guys, go give Gintani a follow on Instagram. Link in description. Needs more. It's still warm, by the way. It's not cold right now. It's totally hot.
You sound good for stock though.
Not good. Yeah. Oh, look who's back.
Oh, back in the vlog
Dude,
again.
got the V12. Hey, look. I got one too.
Oh my god.
Mine
this is the
seats
new-
4.
This thing is wicked, man. I
I
gotta
gotta be honest with you though, David.
say, a V12.
I only own half this car.
half.
I own a V6 or a half a 6. I don't know how it works.
Half 6?
Dave and I split this car together. We bought it together. We wanted to have the Vlogtourage
That is
car.
awesome.
Get the crew. It's got back seats. So you can
Wow.
rip around together.
Wait, now there's 2 V12s on the channel?
3.
3.
Murcielago.
The Murcielago, that's right. This is the FF, right?
This is the FF.
This is sick, guys.
Do you know what FF stands for? Ferrari.
Fast.
Ferrari.
I was close.
It's not that fast.
This thing is beautiful. Wow. This interior. Oh, and it's got the screen on the
Hell
passenger
yeah.
side, too. This is sick, but this right here, the white, the matching white on the outside to the inside, that is sick. That is sick. And the wheel is sick too with the LED lights on there. I love the Ferrari wheels. Best supercar wheel I think out there.
Yeah, they kill the wheel game. That's the best feature.
He fits inside! Get out of here! Okay, trunk closed. Beep.
Oh, what's up, bro? Yeah. GDE. Oh, this Ferrari? Oh, yeah, no big deal. No big
He just
deal.
fits in there so well, though. I mean, come on.
Yo.
What is up?
Dude, that's sick. I heard you in the background. I heard that V10, that 5.2 liter. Amazing, amazing, amazing car.
Vince.
Dave, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So tell me, your license plate, what does it say?
0 degree.
Which means you actually bought that car.
Yes.
How old are you?
21 right now.
21, you're self-made.
Self-made.
You bought that
completely.
Lamborghini yourself from starting a company, working your face off. Dude, that's super sick. As soon as I saw a license plate, I said 0 degree, I'm like, this guy works for his stuff. So this is a 2014?
2012 actually.
Oh, really? Let's take a look at this beautiful spec. What color is it? Rosso Mars or
Rosso
something?
Mars, yeah.
Hey, I knew it. That's pretty good.
Nailed it, though.
Carbon mirrors. All Alcantara. Carbon seats. Or not carbon. Are they carbon?
Yeah.
Oh!
Carbon bucket
Carbon
seats,
and-
yeah.
Damn.
See, these are the non-comfort seats. These are the sports ones.
Seats, yeah.
2 hours into it, back starts hurting. Car starts to warn you, doesn't it? After 2 hours, you get a warning
It
that
does,
comes on
it
the
does.
dashboard. It says, hey, you're driving 2 hours, time to take a break, you know? But the carbon
Dude.
fiber, this is all factory. I love it.
This is
It's just
all.
like,
This is very, very, very much like the
Squadron
Squadron.
Corsa. It's
the
almost
Squadron.
identical.
The best part of the FF, the girls are cold right now. Please come enjoy the back seat of the Ferrari, please.
oh, there's electronic.
Look at this.
Look at this
Oh
seat.
my gosh.
All the way, and now look at this.
Oh, sh
That is cool.
Dude, what do you think?
It's really
It's a
comfortable.
whole queue in here. Sorry, Dave. There's room for.
It smells brand new. This
yeah.
Sorry, bro. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay.
Be good.
Legit in a V12. All of us in here.
There's 4 people in here.
Sorry, Dave. Sorry, bro. Well, ladies. Holy sh. Holy sh. Oh, there's a speed bump. Cool, though, right?
Yeah.
We should probably go back and get David now. He's by himself on his phone right now. Like, that Dave guy's kind of a dick. I thought Damon was the asshole. Damon's the obvious. I'm more subtle about it. I just did a girl.
Mr. Low-key steal your
Is
girl.
he mad? He's not even looking at us. I think he's mad at me. Fake smile. Oh no, he's got. What do we do?
You guys got to tell me, how was it? I have to know. I've never been in one. Tell me.
Dude, the guy, like, it's nothing like I've ever experienced. Because, like, you would think it's so heavy, you couldn't power slide it on the corner. Like,
I didn't slide anything. I didn't
say he slid it.
I mean, it sounds fast. I know it's got the V12, but it's stock.
It's
I know
stock,
it's gonna,
right?
But we have an FI exhaust on the way.
I was gonna say, wait till they put the DDE touches on it, because then it's gonna be loud. What did you guys think? Were you guys scared back there?
I liked it. It's my first time.
I'm used to it.
Who said I'm used to it?
From the Tesla, he does that to me.
What Tesla? What are you guys talking about?
So we're just here in Westwood, I think. Anyways, doesn't matter. Having a quick bite to eat. All of a sudden, this massive crew of supercars shows up. Like legit, squad goals right here. Check out the two orangey yellow McLarens. There's a couple Porsches. There's a Performante. Legit, we were just sitting here. All of a sudden, a car showed up. What are the odds of that? Like, did you guys plan this with this guy?
We just found, bro. We were at the gas station and these guys rolled by, so we're like, let's take it with them.
Oh, we're with them now. That's awesome.
Yeah, so we just came and followed them here. So
I'm in right now. This is what I'm driving.
Yeah.
A new car. Not even in public yet. Oh, wow. It's about a Ferrari FF.
Oh my god.
They have room for friends
awesome.
now. This thing is bad.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, what's the color called? I don't know either. It's orangey yellow. Oh yeah. Dude, super sick. Got the orange on the seats. Alcantara. It's getting rowdy out here.
Yo, yo!
Santa Monica.
Let's do it. Let's go to the pier.
Yeah. We're legit on the pier. I was not aware you could drive down the pier. When he drove down here, I was like, I don't know if you can do that, but apparently you can. Actually, ironically, I know this pier only because I play Grand Theft Auto 5. I know this area as a result. Oh boy. Okay. Hands on the wheel, straight. Yeah. It's a simple pleasures in life. I had no idea we could come down here. Look at this. We're like on the fucking docks right now. I've been coming to LA for quite a bit now, filming vlogs for you guys. And this is probably one of the coolest things we've done as far as a spot to go hang out. Like, parking's probably really expensive, but look at this. Look at the backdrop. We have Santa Monica over here. There's the beach, the park. We have 3 supercars, 2 V12s, 1 V10. This car sounds so good. The V10 in the Gallardo is one of my favorite. This is the extra injectors, fancy Huracan stuff. This is like the one. A lot of people say that the 5-liter V10 sounds better than the pre-LPs.
I've heard the 5 liters. I would have to say that they definitely have a more Formula 1 kind of high pitch sound, but they don't have the kind of like the pops or the girth that you really have with the LP series.
Well said. I was gonna say one sucks, one's awesome. Pre-LP or LP Gallardo?
I'm more LP. But guys, look at this for a second. Look how long this FF is compared to
Yeah, it's super long. It's longer than the SV. Ladies.
Whoa. Look at the size of these two things. That's what he said.
What was that? That's what she said? Oh! This is such a DDE moment right now. We're here, we're parked, it's all good.
We got the 6x6 here.
The Raptor, California, and it's all closed. Hey, thanks for nothing. Great idea. Let's go to the close the amusement park. Totally good idea. This is very graceful.